Okay, today we're going to be playing around with a Ford F450 delivery truck. Because my buddy's got a complaint that he's got no windshield wipers at the switch. So we're going to go check this out today. All right, here we go. Let's, okay, there's a switch. All right, let's put the key in it. Take a look here. Yeah, turn the switch on, turn the switch off. Yeah, no wipers, no wipers. Nope. Nope, no squirty. Oh, look. What's this button do? What's this button do? Here we go. This makes sense. There we go. On. Yep. That made for an easy job. I don't know how long the guy's had the truck, so I hope he hasn't been running a long time thinking he doesn't have windshield wipers.